Hey guys, it's Collin here from Bumz Productions. Today I'm going to tell you two things. One, I got a nice ass new keyboard that I attempted a review for, but it didn't work. But it's a really good computer, or keyboard. Um, it types really good. But I'm using it for gaming. It has some nice lettering in it. But I gotta go put my old one back, and also I'm gonna be streaming on an account for Bumz Productions called, and I'm gonna put it in the link because I'm not gonna tell you. You're gonna figure it out in the description below when I make it, which is already made, but it's not fully produced yet. So, with that being said, if I can move my chair over so the camera's fixed. Alright, there we go. So, with that being said, this will not be uploaded until my Twitch account is fully created with a customized layout and everything. Where Bumz Productions is not professional. Know that. It's not professional. This keyboard's good. I've been recording for a minute. I have, well, I'll be streaming games on there. I'll probably be streaming IRL, like showing you what the keyboard does and all that, what functions. I have a twin monitor. I forgot to say that too. If you remember back then in my old room, oh yeah, I'm also in a new room. If you remember back then in an old room, I only had this laptop that I'm recording on. Now I got this twin monitor right here, and a Pringles can, and a cheeseburger can, and a Sonic cup, which I need to clean. And ignore that on the wall, please. That was there from the old people. I got to take it off. But we just moved here, as you see, with all these boxes. But no, I got a twin monitor now. All of this is good. This is where I'm going to be playing it, and then my computer here, is going to be seeing my Twitch stream, my OBS stuff, and all that. So, with that being said, now that I have a twin monitor, I can have song requests up and play games on here, which is good because the microphone is only on here, and I can play stuff audio through my speakers. Sorry about that. But all my game programs here, let me make a display. I'll show you. I should have done a display. No, really? You're here to do that? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Screw you. Alright. Remove you. Yes. Sorry, I'm having a lot of technical difficulties. Like I said, we're not professional. There we go. Alright. As you see, all of my games are on this computer. And as that happens, I get a message. Not professional, like I said. But I got this new game, Metal Gear Solid Revengeance. I also got Warframe. Also, ignore this. These were past recordings of the same video I'm doing now. That was a complete fail. Yes, I have Aincrad. I'm an anime fan. I'm a friggin' weeb. But, yeah. So this is, I'm going to be doing my twin monitor stuff on here. This is going to be my display capture. My Twitch layout is already set up and everything, but I can't do that. But, back to vlogging. But, yeah. That's pretty much it. I've been recording for 4 minutes now. Twitch. About that. Layout. I'm a rookie graphic designer. I'm starting a graphic design, so I have a Twitch layout preparing to be made, and everything is going to be made. I have a Discord being made, or not a Discord. Why don't I need a Discord? I have a chat not being made. Actually, I don't need one. I have a camera layout being set up for my camera. Everything is going to be set up on the day of streaming, which is later today. It's 6 o'clock right now. I'm going to be streaming around 7, I guess. I don't know. But that's pretty much it, guys. I'm going to be uploading this in like 2 seconds. Or not 2 seconds. When my Twitch is done. So you'll see this video later. But this is a recording, and I don't really care what you guys think of it. I don't really care what Annalisa thinks about it, but I'm saying we haven't uploaded in like 3 weeks. Like, I'm gonna text her after this and tell her if you want to upload something, we're gonna be doing double uploads, one of hers, one of mine. But if this will be uploaded, if she uploads something and it says something different, like after this or before this, why am I saying this? You guys will see it freaking. If it's like a makeup tutorial, it's obviously her. If it's like porn or something, it's not either of us. Someone probably hacked our account, which is highly unlikely because we just made the damn account. But that's it. That's all I have to say. Oh, if you're wondering what that black thing, this black bar thing, that is a futon. It's a couch. This is what I'm going to be doing, like weird stuff. I don't know. Or it's probably just gonna be a couch to watch TV because my TV's like right there on my dresser and stuff. So yeah, I'm not showing you my TV. There's a Marilyn Monroe quote, and I am not showing it on camera because that is fucking embarrassing. That over there that you saw was a Dr. Seuss quote. Why am I? I'm ranting. I'm ranting. But that's it. I got double windows. This room was like huge. But it may not look like it because of the futon and all the boxes and shit. We just moved. So, that, for the third time, that's pretty much it, guys, and I will see you probably in the stream. So, yeah.